Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect ICM Capital to MetaTrader. So basically what you want to do is to download the official MetaTrader application on your computer or mobile devices from the official website. So just search for MetaTrader on Google Chrome or search it on App Store or Google Play Store, and from there we will be able to get the official application of MetaTrader. Now, to add or to connect your ICM Capital, you can just click on the file at the top left corner of your screen, and then you want to click on Open an Account. From there, you then want to type for your company. In our case, it's going to be ICM Capital, so just hit on the Enter button, and from there, it will then present us with this search results right here, on which we have the ICM Capital Limited and the ICM LTV. So I'm going to be choosing the ICM Capital right here. Click on Next. You then want to choose the last option, which is to connect with an existing trade account. Now, this is not going to be your login credentials for the ICM Capital. This is going to be the credentials for your trading account inside your ICM Capital. So you want to get your trading account credentials, enter your login credential, passwords, and you want to make sure to connect to the right server. Click on the Finish button, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.